magyaw-yaw.
Yay! So this is the paddle boat. So the advantage of this one is you can move from... We didn't even have a chance to climb in the sidekick boat. Hey guys, good morning. Good morning people. So for today's vlog, I'm going to bring you guys in the ocean. We're gonna do fishing. I'm gonna show you today how they use the ring net and the other type of net. But before that, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you will be notified, guys, if I'm doing to do live or I have a new vlog. So let's go. They're peace at me. Dito, ida na kay GR na.
Wala na dia.
Time check, guys. It is 2:40 a.m. Ipandan ako.
Pwede po speak ko, yung katulong baktas ko kita ng balay ka sa iwi.
So now that Iboy is done, we're ready to leave. Lalala po tayo dulpid mo, no? There's a lot of lumber, dirty here in this area. We are not here yet in the location. The big boat, it's there. It's still a little far, but not far. So we're going to stay here because they want to do some chismis to this guy. And the brother of Iboy, we're gonna do some squid fishing.
Oh, squid away.
Ah!
Oh no.
We have squid. Dire po kayo, patuloy. So we have squid.
Oh no, muluwa pag yun.
Ya mau putras muro magyaw-yaw.
Yay! Fresh. So that's all our catch. We need to stop it because I don't know how they know, but they said that the big boat, it's gonna be ready anytime soon, so we need to be there. Look, we're gonna witness a beautiful sunrise later. So pretty. So now we are here in the location. The big boat is there. That's the sidekick boat and the cage that they're going to harvest today. Now that the big boat is heading towards the fish cage, so any moment they will be ready putting the net around the fish cage. And hey, Iboy is having a hard time making the motor work. I'm gonna stay in the... It's working! Let's go! Now that the big boat is putting the net in the water, so to my upcoming vlog, I will make the videos to process when they harvest the cage. Bago ako eh. Patay na si Muron. So all the small boats are looking for a good spot where they can do sapyaw. So let's hope to our spot right now. There's a lot of fish here to do sapyaw. But I don't think The small boat today, guys, can make a good sapya because the owner of the big boat are here. Now that they are satisfied to their position, the brother of Iboy will use a rope to tighten it to the floating boat to prevent us from floating far away from the net. This is the paddle boat, so the advantage of this one is you can move from one place and transfer to another spot. Because like now, when they try to fish here and not a lot of fish, they're gonna go to another spot and hoping that the spot that they're going to transfer is have a good fish there. So let's back here. Okay, so it's like doing ping pong. So this sapyaw thing is they are allowed to do sapyaw until the captain of the big boat will gonna stop them.
A few moments later.
So now the captain of the big boat asked them to stop doing sapyaw. So it's time for them to stop, and that's the only that they catch. So they're gonna jump and go to the big boat so that they can help pulling the net so that they can have a free fish. Yeah, you guys should work so hard there. It's because the owner is there so that they can give you guys a free fish. Okay. It's there. Okay, still wave. So this is the good one of the good thing here in fishing here in Lupon, because you know, even it's hard. I mean, it's not super hard if you catch, but if you don't catch anything, I'm gonna say that it's boring and hard. But there's still, you know, fishermen still smile and laugh. You are wondering why they are not leaving yet? It's because after harvest, guys, they're going to ask a free fish to the big boat. So just stay tuned. It's because I'm gonna show you guys what's going on later. So we'll see you in a bit.
Kada kagapon lang. Kada kagapon. Sabi bus ko puta.
So as you can see, there's only few people is working there, And look at the small boat, they're just watching. But later guys, they're going to jump and bring the net and ask some free fish. So now they are done putting the fish in the cage. It's free time, so we're gonna go. We're gonna jump. Ganito sa tarong. Sige.
Oh.
So this is our favorite net. It's because we can ask for free fish. Isti tawagan ko si Pogi, padala. Oh my God. Why I do this? The owner is here. She's mad. Pugi! Maasa Pugi, be! Sakot. Maasa. Kaya ako mga yung makatkat ko ron. Puriganong na ni. So we cannot ask a free fish. It's because the owner is mad. Oh my God, we cannot ask a free fish. Eh, anak, babaya ito bang lang. Ang akong kuay. We didn't even have a chance to climb in the sidekick boat. It's because the owner is mad. So today it's not a good day. So we trapped here just to give the bread before we're going to follow the sidekick boat because the brother of Iboy is there. Sige! So they said that next time we're gonna give us more because the owner is there. So they just only give us some fish. Sige, welcome. Bye-bye.
A few moments later.
So we're finally back home, guys. And yeah, we are not lucky today. And by the way, if you are wondering why only 3 of us, the brother of Iboy is missing, it because we tried to find him, guys, earlier, and fortunately we cannot find him, and we need to stop looking at him. It because we are out of diesel. Iboy doesn't bring enough diesel. So this is our first time that, I mean, this is not the first time to the fisherman, but this is my first time that I cannot be able to have a free fish. It because I was jumping and can't even climb to the sidekick boat, and you know, the owner asked already that I already asked to the sidekick boat to leave. They don't give. None of us get a free fish today. So the brother of Iboy never jumped into the sidekick boat. It because he been helping in the big boat pulling the net, and he's helping putting the fish in the box, and he cannot have fish, so he never jumped in the sidekick boat. And Iboy, we keep searching but we cannot find him. But we are not worried to his safety because Kawag, it's not far here in Lopon. It's just like 30 minutes to ride motorbike. So, and for sure later the brother of Iboy, either he gonna ride a motorbike or he gonna ride a boat coming back here in Lopon. So yeah, we are not worried to him. He is just only stupid for not jumping to the sidekick boat. Even he knows the fact that the owner of the big boat is following with the sidekick boat. Wow, ginay ko ha. Even Michael, but Michael is smart enough for jumping into the sidekick boat when he knows that the owner is following to the sidekick boat. So yeah, I don't know if I explained it right. That's the only catch of Michael.
Oh, yes.
That's he catch for sapyaw.
Sakila, sakila. Okay, kasi nga sana kung ambak na.
He keep making sign to the brother of the boy, jump, jump, but he doesn't want to give up. That's our fish only. I guess that one is like 3 kilos. Not even 3 kilos. Duha man sila. I guess that is for today's videos, guys, and I hope you enjoy. If you enjoy, please give this videos a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow next one. Bye bye.